Private versus public beach access has taken over Walton County's shorelines. The dispute between Dune Allen Beach Incorporated and nearly a dozen Walton County beachfront property owners can be traced back to 2023, when a trial court ruled in favor of the owners. But a recent appellate court decision is making waves of change.
On Wednesday, Florida's First District Court of Appeal ruled that the trial court moved too quickly when it granted summary judgment and quiet title in favor of the beachfront property owners. That ruling has now been reversed and remanded, which means that it'll go back to Walton County trial court, where both sides will get another chance to prove what the property lines were intended to be.
In plain English, quiet title is basically a legal dispute over who has rights to a certain property.
News 13 spoke with a 30A real estate agent who's been following the case and its potential impacts on private property value, public beach access, the local economy, and more.
In my opinion, the appellate court was very clear, saying, the trial court picked a winner too early. This issue is way too disputed to be resolved on a summary judgment, and they sent it back to the trial court.
Now, more fact-finding will be done in trial court.
While this ruling isn't a win on either side, it's significant because it keeps the fight alive and has the potential to impact public beach access, not just here in Walton County, but across the state of Florida.
Worrell says the court needs to provide clarification. That clarification could set a precedent.
There needs to be a determination as to, does the public have an ancient right to access our beaches? And can one technically own to the Gulf? Is that legal? I mean, that's something that the court needs to provide clarity on.
It's too soon to tell whether that ruling will come from the trial court or if it will eventually make its way up to the Florida Supreme Court. For now, the beachfront property owners of the 7 parcels involved in the suit, including Breen Littoral, will have to navigate the reversal of their previous win and decide what they want to do next. Littoral's attorney, Peter Tickton, said the decision was disappointing, writing, "Now we're going to present the same evidence and ask the judge again."
Reporting in Walton County, I'm Grace Velez, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
The debate over private versus